Yo, guys, so I sell jewelry, and someone sent back a ring because it didn't fit them, so they wanted to exchange it for a bigger size. But they included this little fucking, it's like cement. It's like this thing, bruh, with their return.
Right, so I was tagged in that video with a simple question. What is inside that cylinder? So let's do some investigating. That's a word. But first we hydrate, and then we educate. It's coffee. So if you watch the entirety of the video, this person is a jeweler. That is a clue. Jewelers use a lot of materials and metals, majoritively metals, to make their artistry, to make their jewelry. Right, so it is a metal. So let's move on to clue number 2, the container itself. It's heavy, it's concrete, it's got a silver inlining for some reason. So this means that whatever's inside could be harmful, hazardous, dangerous even. And now the biggest clue, clue number 3, the artifacting that happens in this video, this effect that I'm doing right now. This happens because your phone's camera sensor is very sensitive to not only, light, it can be affected by other things like radioactivity. Whatever's in that container, it's radioactive, it's hot. So now let's put that all together. We have a jeweler that's been sent some radioactive material. Why? Well, jewelers have been using radioactive materials for some time. You've got thorium, potassium, tritium, even uranium has been used to make watches or pendants or other pieces of jewelry. So, but without seeing like a Geiger counter and seeing how much radiation this material is actually producing, I can't tell for certain what it is. I'm going to say either tritium or thorium, because this must be a small-time watchmaker, and also the carelessness of this watchmaker's assistant putting his bare hand over a radioactive material. Dude, you need to go to the hospital, like, now. Take some iodine pills or something, because you have just dosed yourself with radioactivity, you noob!